The H4 bi-LED projector lens headlight is a remarkable advancement in automotive lighting technology, designed for both motorcycles and cars. This product boasts an impressive 1300W power output and an astonishing 1 million lumens, setting a new standard for brightness and headlight performance. One of the standout features of this headlight is its CANBUS compatibility, ensuring seamless integration with various vehicles while eliminating error messages commonly associated with aftermarket lights. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who desire a high-quality upgrade without the hassle of additional modifications. The projector lens design enhances the focus and clarity of the beam, providing superior illumination on the road. Users will appreciate how the high and low beam functions enhance visibility in diverse driving conditions, improving safety during nighttime travels or adverse weather. The lights distribute a uniform beam pattern that significantly reduces glare for oncoming drivers, making them an excellent choice for both personal and shared roads.